Very good morning. Today's topic is Mendelian disorders in human beings. Previously, we have done sex-linked inheritance, and today Mendelian disorders in humans. So we will discuss only about one disorder, which is mentioned in the syllabus for this year, is thalassemia. So what is thalassemia? It is inherited blood disorder. It is inherited, which is inherited. It is inherited blood disorder which is characterized by less oxygen carrying protein. That means the hemoglobin quantity is very less. Okay, so it is inherited blood disorder, and this blood disorder is characterized by less oxygen carrying protein. And as you know, oxygen carrying protein in humans, especially in humans, we are talking about humans, is hemoglobin. So there is less hemoglobin protein, as well as fewer red blood cells in the body. Okay, so there is two symptoms: very less hemoglobin, as well as the number of RBCs is also lower than the normal numbers. What are the symptoms of thalassemia? Is fatigue, weakness and paleness, slow growth, anemia, and shortness of breath. So these are the symptoms of having this Mendelian disorder known as thalassemia. What are the types of thalassemia? Is alpha thalassemia and beta thalassemia. Alpha thalassemia, as you know, that we are talking about having very less or negligible hemoglobin protein present in blood, which carries oxygen or gaseous exchanges. For gaseous exchange, hemoglobin is very important. Okay, so you can say only hemoglobin is responsible for carrying oxygen in the blood. So if there is no hemoglobin or very less hemoglobin, you can say, or very less oxygen quantity in our body, which actually leads to weakness, fatigue, slow growth, anemic, shortness of breath, etc. Okay. So the types of thalassemia is alpha and beta thalassemia, because the protein is globulin protein. So globulin protein, on the basis of its structure, it's either alpha globulin or beta globulin. So there are two different types of genes which are responsible for the production of alpha globulin protein and beta globulin protein, which in turn uh, produce this hemoglobin protein. Okay, so alpha thalassemia, when a gene which is related to alpha globin protein is missing or mutated. Mutated means mutation, sudden change in the, you can say, the behavior or the genetic material of the DNA. Then beta, when defected gene affect the production of beta globin protein, यानी जब जीन अगर डिफेक्टेड हुआ, मैं चीज यहाँ लिखी है, कॉजेज में लिखा है मैंने, if the gene is defected, if the gene is defected, there will be defected enzyme or protein, or no enzyme or protein. If gene is defected, if the gene is missing, there is no enzyme, there is no protein, or if gene is defected, there is defected enzyme or defected protein. If enzyme is defected, if the protein is defected, growth or development will be defected, which leads to the disorder. Okay. Then the causes, what is the genetic cause of this thalassemia? Mutation in HBB gene, which causes beta thalassemia. So for beta thalassemia, this HBB1, HBB2, HBB1 and HBB2 genes, either they have mutation or they are missing. या तो इनमें म्यूटेशन हो जाती है इन जीन्स में, या तो ये मिसिंग हो जाते हैं. Okay, they cause beta thalassemia. And do remember this HBB gene, HBB1, HBB2, these genes which are responsible for causing a beta thalassemia, they are present on chromosome number 11. अगर मिसिंग यानी ये मिसिंग हो गए या म्यूटेट हुए हैं या डिफेक्टेड हैं, ये जीन जो है HBB1, BB2 कहाँ मिलेंगे आपको? क्रोमोसोम नंबर 11 पे. एंड म्यूटेशन इन HBA1, B से मतलब बीटा, HBA, A से मतलब अल्फा, HBA1, HBA2 genes which are responsible for causing alpha thalassemia, they are present on chromosome number 16. Their absence, if they have any mutation, if they get any defect, then they cause alpha thalassemia. Okay. तो ये जीन्स याद रखना आप, HBB and HBA, alpha and beta thalassemia. Inheritance pattern, this has A and beta. It has this parent has beta thalassemia trait, and this parent has no trait. Simple, A and A means normal, a normal parent. When this normal parent gets married to this so this person having beta thalassemia trait, A and beta, what would happen? This is a cross. There are 4 possibilities. Then this is a normal or no trait of thalassemia. Similar, there is no trait of thalassemia. A beta means both of having beta thalassemia means 50, it means 50% chances of having beta thalassemia ट्रेस, यानी 4 में से 2 में आपको ये चीज मिलेगी, 2 उसमें रहेंगे नॉर्मल. So it's about thalassemia, Mendelian disorder in humans. Tomorrow we will discuss about chromosomal disorders. Thank you.